If you're considering purchasing from Limitless Technology SDN, there are a few important things you should know before making a decision. This video will walk you through 7 key aspects of the company and their offerings that could help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Stick around till the end to get an exclusive deal and some insights that you won't find elsewhere. First, let's talk about the product's core offering, Limitless Technology. SDN offers a range of tech solutions aimed at streamlining operations and improving efficiency. Whether you're a small business or a larger corporation, they have tools that cater to diverse needs. When comparing this to other companies in the space, many competitors offer more basic versions of similar products, but fail to provide the customization that Limitless Technology SDN excels at. If you're looking for tailored solutions, they really stand out. Next, the pricing structure. You might be wondering whether it's worth the investment compared to other software. Limitless Technology SDN's pricing model is competitive, but one thing I've noticed is that they often bundle services together at a value that you won't see with most competitors. The transparency in their pricing also means there are no surprise fees or hidden costs that could pop up later. If you're someone who values clarity in what you're paying for, this is a huge plus. The third thing you should know is the user experience. Now, I've used their software myself, and I can tell you that the user interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. This is often where some competitors fall short, with overly complex systems that require lengthy training. With Limitless Technology SDN, you can hit the ground running, which makes a big difference if you're on a tight timeline or just don't want to spend extra hours figuring things out. Next, let's discuss support. Limitless Technology SDN offers a solid customer service experience, which is vital when you're relying on a tech solution. I've tested their customer support response time, and I found it to be prompt and effective. Unlike some other companies that either have long wait times or provide unhelpful responses, they seem to have a dedicated team that genuinely understands their products and helps resolve issues quickly. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the scalability of their products. Many companies offer software that's great for small businesses, but can't keep up when your company grows. Limitless Technology SDN has built their tools to scale with you, ensuring that as your business grows, their products can adapt to your expanding needs. This is something you won't get with all competitors, who tend to have limitations on what their software can handle long term. Now, let's talk about integrations. If you're using other software alongside the products you're considering from Limitless Technology SDN, integrations are a big deal. Fortunately, they offer seamless integration with major platforms, allowing you to streamline operations even further. This is something that competitors sometimes miss, forcing you to use clunky workarounds or duplicate entries between different systems. The seventh and final thing to know before buying is their free trial offer. You can actually try out Limitless Technology SDN software without committing to a purchase right away. This is incredibly valuable because it gives you the chance to test everything, ensure it works for your business, and get a feel for how it fits into your workflow. Not all competitors offer a risk-free trial like this, so if you're cautious about making a long-term commitment, this is a great opportunity. If you're ready to try Limitless Technology SDN software for yourself, don't forget to click the first link in the description. By doing so, you'll get the best free trial available, plus some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, you won't want to miss out.